Husky makes a variety of equipment for DEF dispensing systems. We make nozzles, hoses, adapters, tank gauges, swivels, and breakaways. Today we're going to show you how to reconnect a DEF swivel breakaway combination. The breakaway feature will separate between 180 and 400 pounds of pull force and is service reconnectable after a separation or drive-off. Our DEF swivel breakaway combo combines a single plane inline swivel with a breakaway into one component that installs between the DEF hose and DEF nozzle. It's available in several thread options to fit the size and style of dispensing equipment needed for the application. So what does it mean to be service reconnectable? Breakaways usually fall into two categories: non-reconnectable and reconnectable. Non-reconnectable breakaways separate once and then you have to replace them with a brand new breakaway. Reconnectable breakaways are designed to be reattached after a separation to be put back into service. The breakaway we're talking about in this video needs to be uninstalled from the dispensing equipment before it can be reconnected. Since it requires some maintenance by a service technician, we call it service reconnectable. The first step is always to make sure that you have a safe working environment, so turn off the dispenser, relieve the line pressure in the hose, and inspect your equipment. Remove the two halves of the combo from the nozzle and hose and look for damage that might have occurred during the separation. Clean the parts and pay special attention to the O-ring, the circlip groove, and look for any broken plastic parts. The circlip inside the body of the breakaway should move freely. Lubricate the sloped surface. The factory uses white lithium grease. Align the two halves together and make sure everything is in a straight line. Insert the combo into a bench vise and slowly compress the two halves together until there's a click and the gap between the two parts disappears. After you reconnect the combo, screw it back onto the hose and then attach the nozzle. Repressurize your system and do all the common things like looking for leaks and checking for meter creep. After you make sure the dispensing equipment is flowing correctly, it's ready to be put back into service. This type of swivel breakaway combination is a very popular option for DEF dispensing systems that use a hose reel or a hose retractor. It's also a good choice for mobile DEF systems where you have your DEF pump, hose, and nozzle mounted on the back of a truck. For more information about Husky's DEF equipment line, please visit our website or send an email to sales@husky.com.